Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to earn money from CPA Grip network. I'm going to share with you step by step. You can earn good amount of money from CPA Grip network. I will also share with you free traffic method for CPA marketing. You should watch this full video without skipping. You just need your mobile phone and internet connection to start making money. Guys, if you are new on my channel, then please subscribe our channel and like this video. And if you have any type of questions or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. You can visit on CPA Grip network. Guys, this is a best and trusted CPA network. This CPA network have high paying CPA offers. You can earn a high amount of money. CPA Grip is available worldwide. So no matter what country you are in, you can use this platform from anywhere in the world. Here you can see CPA Grip have more than 2000 CPA offers. First of all, you will have to create account on this platform. You can click on sign up now button. You will then come to this page. You can type here your first name, last name. You can type here your address. You can type here your email address, password, and you will have to accept its terms of service. And at last, you can click on register now button. It's very easy to create CPA Grip account. You can select here category. You can select this category. Here you can see CPA offers to choose from. You can choose any of this CPA offer to promote. I'm going to promote this CPA offer. Here you can see this CPA offer is only allowed on Apple iOS. This CPA offer is only allowed on New Zealand country. Here you can see payout rates. It's $1.71. Here you can see CPA link. When people from New Zealand click on this CPA link using Apple iOS device, then they will be redirected on the CPA offers landing page. When that person will just enter his email address, then you will earn $1.71 per person. Suppose if you will generate 100 leads, then you can earn $171. Guys, first of all, you will have to create landing page to promote this CPA offer. You can create landing page using Google site, blogger website, card, Notion, and many more. Let me show you how you can create attractive landing page to promote this CPA offer. You can visit on Google site. You can click here to open this blank template. Now you can click here to delete this header section. You can click on text box. You can type your title. You will have to type your attractive title. Now you can customize this text. You can select this text. You can click here. You can select title styles. Now you can click here to make it bold. Click on text box. You can type your attractive articles. You can type this kind of article. Now you can upload your image. You can go on CPA Grip network. Here you can see image. You can right click here. Now you can click on copy image address button. You can go on Google site. You can click on images button. You can click on select button. Now you can click on link button. You can paste your image URL. Now you can click on insert image button. You can drag this image here. Now I'm going to type here more text. You can type here this kind of text. Now I'm going to add your button. You can scroll down. Here you can see button option. You can click here. Type your button name. Now you can paste your CPA link. You can go on CPA Grip website. Here you can see CPA link. You can click here to copy this CPA link. Now go on Google site. You can paste here that CPA link. Click on insert button. You can drag this button here. Now I'm going to add your disclaimer. Click on text box. Type your disclaimer. You can make this kind of attractive landing page. You can type your site name. After making landing page, you can click on publish button. Now you can type your unique web address. You can type your anything. Now you can click on publish button. Yeah, here we go. My Google site has published successfully. Now in next step, what you will have to do is, you will have to promote this landing page. I'm going to share with you best platform to promote this landing page. You can go on Google and you can search your quick ad. You can click here to open this URL. Here you can see there are a lot of people posting advertisement every time. This post has been published 36 minutes ago. This post has been published 1 hour ago. You can also post advertisement in free. You can get visitors from this website. Let me show you how you can create free advertisement, how you can promote your Google site, and how you can select the right category. Watch this full video without skipping any part. Click on post a free ad button. Now you will have to select your country. Here you can see this CPA offer is accepted in New Zealand country. You can select your New Zealand country. You can click here. Here you can see New Zealand country. You can click here. You can select any of this city. Now you will have to select your right category. You can click here. You can scroll down. You can select this category. Now you can type your ad title. You can go on Google site and you can copy this title. You can go on this website. You can paste here that title. Now you can type your description. You can go on Google site. You can copy this description. Now you can paste here. You can type your more description. Now let me show you how you can promote your Google site. You can select any of this text. You can click on this link icon. Now you can paste here your Google site URL. You can go on your Google site. You can click on this link icon. Here you can see Google site URL. You can click here to copy this Google site URL. You can go on this website. You can paste here your Google site URL. You can click on OK button. Here is showing clickable text. You can scroll down. You can type here your email address. You can confirm your email address. Now you can scroll down. You can select your amount. You can select this option. Guys, this is optional. You can leave it blank. Guys, you can upload your image. You can upload up to 10 images. This will help you to attract more visitors. You can go on CPAGrip network. You can right click on this image. You can click on save image button. You can save this image. Now you can go on this website. You can click on choose file button. You can upload here that image. Now you can scroll down. Guys, here you can see price. If you want to get all of these benefits, then you will have to pay $5. If you want to get all of these benefits, then you can check this box. If you want to get urgent sign, then you can check this box. For this sign, you will have to pay $4. Your advertisement will look like this. Here you can see urgent sign. Okay, after adding all of this information, you can click on continue button. Yeah, here we go. As you can see, your ad has been posted and is now active. You can check your email address to view your advertisement. Here you can see I have received email from Quick Ad platform. You can click here to view your advertisement. Here is showing my advertisement. Here is showing description. And here is showing clickable text. Here is showing image. When people will click on this clickable text, then they will be redirected on my Google site. As you can see here, you can see my Google site is looking attractive. When people from New Zealand click on this get started button using Apple iOS device, then they will be redirected on the CPA offers landing page. When that person will just enter his email address, then I will be able to earn $1.71. Similarly, you can use this strategy to earn money from CPAGrip network. You can earn good amount of money from CPAGrip network. You can also promote your Google site on Facebook group, Twitter, Instagram, and all social media platforms to get more visitors. If you want to learn more about earn money, then watch this video right here. That's all for today. Please subscribe our channel and like this video. And also please share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in next video.